Hey friends, if you encounter the error unable to load library, how to fix VLC live VLC.dll is missing on Windows. Now, here's the thing, this is one DLL that is not going to be recovered through an SFC scan or even through even by reinstalling the Microsoft C++ Visual Redistributable. So you will have to reinstall the app. Here's what you have to do: search for VLC in the Windows search bar. Click on the download pointing arrow in the right pane. Select uninstall. Okay, now scroll down. Click on the three dots associated with VLC and select uninstall, and then on uninstall once again. Click on OK and then on next and then uninstall. Okay, and then finish. That's it. After this, you have to search for store and open the Microsoft Store. Now search for VLC here. Then go to the VLC app and then reinstall it. Now I'll tell you the root cause of the problem and how we are resolving it. The root cause of the problem is that when you try to download VLC from third-party applications or in countries where it is not supported, it does not install properly and a few files may be left in that case. So this is one of them. And when you're downloading and installing it from the Microsoft Store, it is sure to work in that case. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.